I'm 13 and I go to Dale Rose School and I'm in grade 8.
I'm 9 years old. I go to Blair Ridge and I'm going into grade 4.
I was born with congenital heart block.
I basically had a hole in my left artery.
I have a hole in my heart.
The oxygen from my body was not getting to my heart, so they had to switch my arteries.
They knew when my mom was pregnant that there was something wrong with my heart, and so the day after I was born I had surgery to put in my pacemaker. When I was 6 I had surgery again, and when I was 13 I had surgery again.
I was 3 years old and I was sleeping and my mom went to the hospital because she had a cardiac arrest. She was probably in the hospital for a few months. She had 4 cardiac arrests, so it was like she died 4 times. And the nurses and doctors that were helping her were able to save her, so now she has a defibrillator in her heart.
I feel like I'm really lucky to be here and not, because I know that I had a rare chance of surviving, so I know that I'm lucky to be alive.
I have 4 scars in total from heart surgeries, and I guess I'm proud of them because they showed how strong I am.
You jump rope to raise money to help people research to help other kids.
There's just a lot of kids having fun jumping around in the schoolyard.
Some teachers throw in music and freezies and snacks, and you all get together and you raise money for the kids that are still in the hospital or have just gotten out, and you raise money to help them.
When I was younger, I would always look forward to the prizes. I would always want to get the biggest prize. But now I'm happy that I can help raise money.
It helps raise money to help people like my mom, and that's really important to me.
I'm really grateful that people are doing this, and I'm glad that people actually care, because even though you can't really tell that I have a heart condition, I still have it and I'm affected by it. And so when people help, it makes me really happy.
Thank you for all your support and donations. You helped save my life.